Hey everyone, seeing an SSL error like your connection is not private or net error CRT authority invalid, don't worry, here's the best method to fix SSL error step by step. So first of all, you have to check your system date and time if it's correct or not. And most SSL error happens when your device clock is wrong. So fix your device clock. You can go to your settings and type time, date and time settings, and you can just uh, update your time and fix it on automatically. And on Mac you can open system settings like this and general and date time and enable set date time automatically. And after that you can also clear your browser cache or cookies. Outdated or corrupted cookies can cause SSL issues. Like on Chrome, you have to go to settings, settings option, and after that you have to go to privacy and security, and you have to clear the browsing data, like delete browsing data, like last hour, browsing history, cookies, site, cached image and files, and you have to just click on delete data, and then clear the cache and restart your browser and check again if it's okay or not. And you can try a different browser or device. Sometimes the issue with the browser, try Firefox, Edge or Safari to see if the error is specific to Chrome. And you can also disable antivirus SSL scanning temporarily, and you can also proceed safely or contact website owner if the other solutions are not working with you. And always use HTTPS version of websites and avoid logging in to sites with invalid SSL, especially if it asks for personal info. And that's how you solve the SSL error and fast and safe. Let me know if you want a full video on fixing SSL issues for WordPress or hosting platforms. So see you in the next video.